Yeah, my daughter far, you know. If Shy were a person, it would be her. One Adiana. Swear to God, that you my rather. But I could have never love you like my daughter, Adiana. Ba. I mean, I know what I be at them things. So sad.
You get that from where? Let me tell you about it. Hold on, Chinese. I see that. You are couple out of the ready? Again. And then you are following the second verse. This is moving here. One of the things. So we're running out this week. Get the money, this is everything.
What's your name and where you from?
Usain Bolt and I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica is in the house. Stop playing with them. Jamaica. Boom. Stop playing. We see the fit. Describe it today.
Yeah. For me, it's all Bottega from head to toe. You know
Bottega head to toe.
Head to toe.
Okay.
Shoes, you know what I mean?
You see me though. You see me. Okay.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
You don't need the hoop.
Damn.
You know, a bit of diamonds in there.
Damn. Okay.
And a nice guts to catch it back.
Okay.
Simple and easy.
Okay. You're not playing around.
Simple and easy, man.
Okay. If you give anybody a style tip, what would it be?
For me, simpler the better sometimes.
Ooh.
You know what I mean? Don't try to overcomplicate it. Simpler the better. You know what I mean?
Okay. I love that. I love that. What's your favorite song right now?
For me, Vybz Kartel is back out, so it's the Vybz Kartel. All I'm listening to right now.
Okay.
If you're not in Jamaica on New Year's, you're not nowhere.
Okay, stop playing. What's your favorite meal?
For me, oh my God, right now, it's curry and white rice. Curry, goat, and white rice.
Love that. What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Leo, man.
Okay.
Score.
Stop playing. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you.
Wanna get your hand down, party at the club, playing with his limbs now. Certified never boy, certified that fuck 'em up.
Walk on top. Let me tell the guys about now. Come run back the street.
Bitch, ain't you tired?
I want to interview you, crazy.
Minor.
You're crazy.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Walk here, you want to
we give them the place run and they cannot run it. We say, hey, and nice, we all them there, say them. All them. So we all them, I say them. We still say we're ready when them ready so badly.